In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Photopea Error Code 403 quickly and safely. This error usually means that Photopea or a connected cloud storage service has denied a request. It can happen because of outdated browser data, a VPN or proxy, missing file permissions, a browser extension, or an expired cloud storage login session. The good news is that you can usually resolve it with a few simple troubleshooting steps. If this guide helps you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, refresh Photopea and clear your browser data. Open Photopea by going to photopea.com, then look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Click the lock icon next to the website address. Depending on your browser, you may see an option called Site Settings, Cookies and Site Data, or Clear Data. Choose the option to clear the stored data for Photopea, including cached files and cookies. Confirm the action, close the settings window, and reload the Photopea page. You can also clear Photopea's data through your browser settings. Open the Privacy or Browsing Data section, select Cached Images and Files along with cookies or site data, and clear the data for Photopea. Be aware that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so make sure you know your login details before continuing. Once the data has been cleared, reopen Photopea and test the file or action that previously showed error 403. The next step is to disable your VPN or proxy. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and reload Photopea. If your browser or computer is using a proxy, open the network settings and turn that proxy off for testing. Photopea, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and other connected services may block or flag shared, unusual, or suspicious IP addresses. This is especially common with some public VPN servers. After disabling the VPN or proxy, completely refresh the page and try opening, saving, or deleting the file again. If the error continues, check your account and file ownership. This is particularly important when you are using P Drive, shared workspaces, Google Drive, Dropbox, or another cloud storage service. Confirm that you are signed into the correct account and that the account has permission to view, edit, save, or delete the file. If the file belongs to someone else, ask the owner to provide the appropriate editing permission. Also check whether the file is located in a shared folder with restrictions. Having access to view a file does not always mean you have permission to modify it. Now, try Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, you can usually open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. You can also open a private window from your browser's file or menu options. Visit photopea.com in that private window and test the same operation. This step is useful because private browsing normally disables or limits many existing cookies and extensions. If Photopea works correctly in incognito mode, a browser extension may be interfering with the site. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, security extensions, and download managers can sometimes block the network requests Photopea needs. Return to your regular browser window, disable extensions one at a time, and reload Photopea after each change. This will help you identify the extension causing the problem without disabling everything permanently. Finally, re-authenticate your cloud storage account. If error 403 appears when you open or save files from Google Drive, OneDrive, to Dropbox, or another connected service, go to Photopea's File menu and select Open More. Choose the cloud service you are using, then log out if that option is available. After logging out, sign back in and approve the requested permissions. This renews the security token that Photopea uses to communicate with the storage provider. Once you have logged back in, try opening the file again. If you are saving a document, test the save process with a small copy first. This can help confirm that the connection and permissions are working before you make changes to an important project. If the error still appears, verify that the cloud service itself is online, that you have enough storage space, and that the file has not been moved, deleted, or renamed. Let's quickly recap. First, clear Photopea's cache and cookies. Second, disable any VPN or proxy. Third, verify your account and file permissions. Fourth, test Photopea in an incognito or private window to check for extension conflicts. And fifth, log out and back into your connected cloud storage service to renew authentication. In most cases, one of these steps will fix Photopea Error Code 403. If the problem remains, try another network, update your browser, and check whether the issue affects one file or every file. A problem with a single file usually points to ownership or permissions, while an issue across the entire website may be related to browser data, network filtering, or temporary service restrictions. If this tutorial solved the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is having trouble with Photopea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.